Today we are going to deal with the word problems related to rational numbers. Now, few examples we'll be doing and a few questions I'll be discussing here in the class, and a few of the questions I'll be giving for homework. So let's discuss example number 1 first. Sharmila walks 5/6 km from a point P towards east. Now, Sharmila is standing at the point P and she is walking towards east. This is the direction of the east. So she is walking towards this direction and she is covering 5/6 kilometers. Sharmila is standing at the point P. Then she starts walking and she is walking towards the direction east. And towards east she is covering the distance of 5/6 kilometers. Now after this she moved to west and she covered 13/8 kilometers. So she is moving towards west now. This is east direction, this is west direction. Now from this point she is moving to west direction and here she has covered 13/8 kilometers. Now you have to tell where will she be now from the point P. From this point P, where she will be now. So what we'll do, towards east, what we'll take when she is moving towards east, let us take that it is plus 5/6. Now if in this direction we are taking as positive, then in this direction it will be negative. So we'll write distance towards east will be positive. So it would be 5/6 kilometers. I am taking plus 5/6. Distance towards west will be minus 13/8 kilometers. Now as towards east it is plus 5/6. So towards west it will be negative. Now you have to find the final distance. The final distance means that you are going to add these two. Let me rub this now. Now when you add these two, it would be 5/6 plus minus 13/8. Both are in kilometers, so there is no need to change anything. You just solve it. 5/6 plus into minus, minus. Now as it is in mixed number, so we'll just convert it into improper. 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 3, 11. So it will be 11/8. Now how to solve this? Just take the LCM of 6 and 8. LCM of 6 and 8 will be, multiply these. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So your LCM is 24. Now 24 divided by 6, 4. 4 5s are 20. Minus sign. 24 divided by 8, 3. 11 3s are 33. Now just solve it. 20 minus 33 is minus 13/24. Now as your answer is negative, that means your this girl Sharmila will be towards west. So Sharmila is at a distance of 13/24 kilometers. 13/24 kilometers towards west, because in west we have taken the negative direction, negative rational number. So as the answer is negative, so that means she is walking towards, or she is at the west direction at a distance of 13/24 kilometers. Let's move on to example number 2. Example number 2 is Ramesh cut a 1/4 meter long rope into pieces of 4 1/4 meter length each. The total length of the rope is 21 1/4. Now this boy Ramesh is cutting this long rope into different pieces, and one of the piece is of length 4 1/4 meter. You have to find how many such pieces will be there. We don't know how many pieces will be there. Now whenever you have to find number of anything, we are having the total length of the rope. Total length we know. Total length of the rope is 21 1/4 meters. And length of one piece is also given. It is 4 1/4 meters. You have to find number of pieces in the long rope. Whenever you have to find number of something, number of pieces we have to find, we divide. What do? We divide. So just divide 21 1/4 divided by 4 1/4. So just keep it in mind, whenever you have to find the number of something, you need to divide. So total length of the rope divided by the length of one piece, we'll get the number of pieces. Now 21 into 4, 84. 84 plus 1, 85. So 85/4 divided by 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 1, 17/4. Now I have to solve this. You know that for division, what do? We change the sign of division into multiplication and we take the reciprocal. Now do the cuttings. 4 and 4 cut. 17 5s are 85. That means there will be 5 pieces of 4 1/4 length in the total rope, which is of 21 1/4 meters. So number of pieces will be 5. So how will you write the answer? Answer is number of pieces is equal to 5. This is your answer. I hope this is clear. Now let's move on to example number 3. Example number 3. Now, example number 3 of your book is area of a rectangular field. Now, area of a rectangular field is given 10 1/12. 10 1/12 meter square. Length of the field is, length of rectangular field is 2 3/4 meters. You have to find its breadth. Now we are discussing about rectangular field. Now rectangular field, you know, it has length and breadth. What is the area of rectangular field? It is given 10 1/12 and length is given 2 3/4. You have to find this breadth. Now for that, whenever you are given area, so immediately you should just grasp in your mind that what is the formula of area. Area of rectangular field is L into B. So just we have thought of what was the area of rectangular field. We know that area of rectangular field is L into B. Now here area we already know, it is 10 1/12. Length we know, it is 2 3/4. So I am just putting the values whatever I know. Breadth I don't know, so let the breadth be B only. We are finding B. Now first let me solve it. I am making it as an improper one. 12 into 10, 120. 120 plus 1, 121/12. Then 4 to the 8, 8 plus 3, 11/4 multiply by B. Now I told you whenever you have to find something, whatever you have to find, that should be kept alone on that side, and whatever is written along with it. Now 11/4 is written along with it. It needs to be shifted to this side. Now 11/4 is multiplied with B. Now when on one side it is multiplying and it is to be shifted to the other side, then what will happen? Multiply will change into division. So B will be equal to 121/12 divided by, multiply will change into division, 11/4. I am solving it here. So B is equal to 121/12. Now division will change into multiplication and reciprocal. Now do the cuttings. 11 11s are 121. 4 1s are 4. 4 3s are 12. So your B is 11/3. You can change it into mixed fraction also. When you divide it, it is 3 3s are 9 and 2 will be the remainder. So it is 3 2/3 meters. So this will be your answer for example number 3. Is it clear? Again I can repeat, area was given in the question, length was given in the question, and you have to find breadth. So immediately we'll think of the formula for area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is L into B. Just put the values in this equation. Area is given 10 1 by 12, length is given 2 3 by 4 into B. Now as we have to find B, so whatever is written along with B, it needs to be shifted to the other side. So when it shifts, it will become division, because here it was multiplying. So we have moved from here to here, and then we have moved from here. So B is equal to 121 by 12 divided by 11 by 4. The division is to be changed into multiplication, and second terms reciprocal. Do the cuttings. Your answer is 11 by 3. Change it into mixed numeral. You will get the answer. So these were your 3 examples. Example number 4 we will be discussing tomorrow. A few questions we will be doing. Let's do question number 2. Before that, I am just reading question number 1 that you can do yourself. In a bag, there are 20 kg of fruits. If 7 1 by 6 kg of these fruits be oranges, 8 2 by 3 kg of these are apples, and rest are grapes. Find the mass of the grapes in the bag. So what you will do, total weight is 20 kg. Out of this 20, 7 1 by 6 are oranges, plus 8 2 by 3 are apples, and grapes you don't know. So let the grapes be x. Now you have to solve this. So what you will do, you will just add these two first, and you will shift it here with a negative sign and solve. You will get the answer. Try it yourself. If any problem will be there, we will be discussing it later. This question you have to do yourself. This is homework. I am discussing question number 2. The population of a city is 6,63,432. Now population is given to you. Population is 6,63,432. If half of the population means 1 by 2 of the population are adult males. Half of the population, just read it carefully. Half of the population. Whenever it is of, the word of is written, that means you cannot take this in this form. That means you have to multiply. Of means multiply. You have to multiply half into population, and whatever answer you get, that answer will be your number of males. Number of males are given half of the population. So your number of males will be half of the population, means half, of means multiply, and whatever population you have, 6,63,432. You have to solve this, and whatever answer you get, those will be the number of males in the city. So just cut them. 2 3s are, 2 3s are, 2 1s are, 2 7s are, then 2 1s are, and 6 are. So it will be 3,31,716. So this will be number of males. Now it is given 1 by 3 of the population are females. So number of females are given 1 by 3 of the population. So again, you cannot write just 1 by 3. Of the population means 1 by 3 multiply by 6,63,432. Solve it and you will get the number of females. 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Now 13 is left, 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12. So it is 2,21,000, just a minute, 2,21,144. So these are your number of females. Now it is given, find the number of children in the city. So is the question clear? Population of a city was given this much. Number of males are not given in number. Just an information is given that number of males are half of the population. Half of the population means whatever population is given, you will take its half. That means you will multiply it with 1 by 2, and whatever answer you get, that answer will be your number of males. Number of females, again, and just an information is given. It is not given in numbers. It is just given 1 by 3 of the population. So 1 by 3 multiplied by the population given. So again solve it, you will get the answer. This answer will be your number of females. Now you have to find the number of children. Now for finding the number of children, what will be your equation? See, males plus females plus children. When you add all of them, what will you get? Males, females and children together will contribute to the total population. Is it so? Total population is equal to number of males plus number of females plus number of children. Now, population was given 6,63,432. Males are given, males we have just found, 3,31,716. Females are given 2,21,144. Now number of children you don't know, so let those number of children be X. Is it clear? We have framed an equation. Population is equal to number of males plus females plus children, and we have just put the values. Now for solving then, first what we will do, we will just add these two. When you add these two, it will be 6 plus 4, 10, 1 carry, 2 plus 4, 6, 7 plus 1, 8, then 1 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 2, 5, and then 3 plus 2, 5. So this will be your total of males and females, and now you have to find number of children. Now for finding number of children, again X is to be kept alone. This has to be shifted here. It was adding here, so when you shift this to this side, it will become minus. So just write this one with negative sign, minus 552,860 is equal to X. Just subtract it now. 2 minus 0, 2. 13 minus 6, 7. 13 minus 8, 5. 2 minus 2, 0. 6 minus 5, 1. And 6 minus 5, 1. So your answer will be 1,10,572. This is your number of children. In the same way, you will be doing now question number 3, 4 and 5. So complete the exercise 1.6 till question number 5. Question number 1, 3, 4 and 5 are homework. We have done 3 examples plus I have told you 1 question. So 4 questions you will be doing as a homework. Try to do it. Thank you.